everybody, my name is Bert. I'm from Borneo Slingshot. Well, I would like first of all to thank you to my subscribers, those who's watching my channel and those who likes, and thank you to Zoro and Hafiz, including Rush, Alex, Steven, Nazim and Nick. So let's get into the slingshot. Okay, this is D&Q slingshot made in China. I just clean it up, and after I clean up and then when to open everything, and disable it, and now I'm going to assemble it back. Oh, by the way, this is a slingshot that I got online. That was on May. Yeah, so just be careful with it, because if you lose any screw, I don't know if you can get anyway in hard way. Okay, it's just a tiny screw. Okay, the pumps well from the back. Start from the bottom first, and slowly, gradually we're going up. Okay, here we go. Not too tight, just nice, sliding. Okay, by the way, I'm using a band 1.0 from Sobong company, brand Sobong, SOBONG. Okay, this is a small slingshot, and it's good for you to have some fun, target practice. You can use for beginner and professional, but then again, you only use a flat band. Sorry for the noise, the fan. Okay, here we go. Okay, slowly we're going for the clamp. The clamp, by the way, don't forget, the clamp have a screw with a spring on it. Okay, the reason why there's a spring on it, because it's easy for you to push it and change your bend. If your bend tear at the same time while you are having some fun or shooting, practice shooting, and you're planning to change your bend to higher poundage. Okay, let's go for the sight. I normally use this type of sight, big one, just for fun. Okay, if you go for hunting, I use the big one. Yeah, but whichever it is, it's all personal preference. Okay, there we go. Okay, I just set it there. It's just like a compound bow. I have a sight. Okay, I just attached this one because I don't want to lose it. Okay, whoop, that's what I'm saying. Okay, there's a hair. Okay, there we go. I think this is selling also in Amazon. Okay, there we go. Okay, oops, just make sure it's tight so it won't fall. Whoop. Okay, it's done. Check this one. just to make sure. Okay, done. Okay, let's talk about this side. And it comes along with a fiber optic string where you put it in here, then you cut it out. To me, I just glue it then cut it out. Okay, it goes that way. Okay, but I don't use this type. I prefer with this one. So let's attach with this first. Okay, this one, I mean, see. Okay, here we go. Make sure the band is correctly put, and make sure the ear is always outside. Is the band here always outside? Okay. And never ever dry fire your slingshot, because it's gonna tear it. So if you dry fire, then you don't have a extra band, you're out of the game if you're in a competition. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, this is correct. There's a V formation there. Once you pull, there's a V formation. Okay, normally I'm gonna keep inside this box hard case whenever I go in a jungle or camping trip. I make sure it is safe from water or dropping it, losing it. Okay, so that's about it from me, but Borneo Slingshot. Thank you.